First of all, like the seating position is just spot on. I feel like I'm upright. I feel like I'm more in control. I have more leverage with the bars being higher. You're in a cockpit that was kind of made for you, made for a rider that wants to ride. The suspension, like I said before, you know, you get to a point where you're looking ahead and you're kind of watching the road and looking for speed bumps and potholes and G-outs and this, that, and the other. And with this, you're just like, okay, who's my next victim? You know, who am I gonna take down and pass next? Because I've got it, it's dialed in. Everything just felt so dialed, so right. The brakes are like a light switch. You touch it and it turns on. You know, they felt a lot like the brakes on my 2019 KTM 300, you know, one of the best enduro bikes in the world. And it's right where it needs to be. It's only 45, 48 degrees out, but I'm excited to take that 5-hour ride home to get out and smash on some people, try to avoid the cops and the tickets and all the things that come along with, like, you know, if you like to ride aggressively and you're gonna put the money into your bike, you might as well utilize it and see, you know, where your limits fall short, because that's what I feel like with this bike is I'm gonna hit my limits long before this bike ever will. You know, we might have to say, all right, it's time to do a track day. And aesthetically, I didn't get half a mile from here and I had a dude look over and he was like, right on, brother. I'm like, yeah, I feel the same way, dude. This is definitely the Hellraiser that you want, with that like Harley soul and that Harley feel, you know? It's got that mechanical feel, but it's just dialed. It's good. It's real good.
Yeah. Hey, this is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. This is a bike we just finished for Keegan. It's a 2005 Road Glide. I really like this bike. We put our gauge relocation kit here on the bike. As you can see, we've got we put our lights right here and our gauge face. We did the gauge buckets and everything for him. Our risers with some bars there, we did in the green color, olive, sorry. We've got our ignition switch bracket down here for the 2005 model, and we took it off the triple trees here. We did some shocks with extensions on the back, 14-inch rear shocks to give him some ground height. We did a full-blown inverted Big Bear Performance front end with rotors and calipers, Brembos, monoblocks, the whole ball of wax. This is a bike you can go get in the corners and give it hell and have a whole shit ton of fun. So I really like this bike. I love the color of it too. And Keegan, the owner of it, just rode it and he was super happy. But yeah, performance parts, Big Bear Performance. We're all about it.